Hello everyone and welcome to Beyond Decks. In today's video, I will be showing you how quickly and easy you can solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. As you can see here, my cube is all solved and I will mess it up right now. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Start. There you go. That's how quickly the 3x3 Rubik's Cube can be solved. Might take you some more time, might take you some less time. You might get lucky for some parts. In my next videos, I will be showing you how to solve layer by layer the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below to my channel Beyond Decks, and please turn on bell notifications so you can get all my new videos. See you soon. Peace out.